how to use bakari at the N2 level for about or approximately.
今歩いているのはミオ通りです。村ができて2年ばかり。まだまだ人手不足なのですよ。
So, bakari here used at the N2 level is used to estimate an approximate amount of something. In terms of quantity, it means about or approximately. This is actually an incredibly rare use that I was only able to find in one game out of hundreds from my database. Here the game itself is even set in the past, like seen here in Pokemon Arceus. Mura ga dekite 2年ばかり. So it's been about 2 years, 2年ばかり, since the village was formed.
今歩いているのはミオ通りです。村ができて2年ばかり。まだまだ人手不足なのですよ。
This is an uncommon use because normally people would just use kurai or gurai to express about or approximately, as it expresses the same thing. However, when bakari is used in this way, it always follows a noun that indicates some amount of time, distance, or an amount of something. Like for example, around 1,000 yen, 1000 yen bakari, around 1,000 yen, kashite kureru, could you lend me?
1000円ばかり貸してくれる?
Or like to go to Kyoto by bus, it takes about 1 hour. 1時間ばかりかかる.
京都まではバスで1時間ばかりかかる.
Next, we have 2 testing sections to help reinforce the language in your mind. The first stage will test your understanding of the English meaning of the grammar, with the second stage testing your Japanese understanding. While this is quite simple as there's only one grammar point to focus on, this will still help you familiarize with how the grammar is used in the sentence, reinforce the meaning, and even give you a chance to visualize using it yourself with the help of the example sentences. Try reading the answer out loud to yourself before the timer runs out to help reinforce the grammar use in your head, as well as give you a little bit of Japanese listening practice. Good luck and have fun! Bakari, about, approximately.
ばかり。村ができて2年ばかり。
It's been about 2 years since the village was formed.
1000円ばかり貸してくれる?
About 1,000 yen.
京都まではバスで1時間ばかりかかる。
About 1 hour. It's been about 2 years since the village was formed.
村ができて2年ばかり。
About 1,000 yen.
1000円ばかり貸してくれる?
About 1 hour.
京都まではバスで1時間ばかりかかる。
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you get more familiar with this grammar point. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment letting me know what you think about the video. If there's any particular pieces of Japanese you'd like to see covered on this channel, let me know in the comment section. An enormous shout out to the supporters of the channel. I absolutely would not be able to make these videos without you guys, so thank you so much. If you'd like to support the channel as well as join the Game Go Discord, then feel free to join as a member either through the Game Go website or through Patreon. Not only can you help support the channel, but you can also get help with your Japanese any time of the day, hang out and chat. People often stream in the Discord learning Japanese together, and you can even vote on upcoming videos. Thank you so much to everyone who supports the channel, whether as a member or simply by liking and watching the video. Thanks so much guys, I hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and as always, I'll see you all again in the next video. See ya.